Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Crafton Pedia, and I'm passionate about helping you unlock your potential through self-improvement and personal development. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential skills for success, time management. Section 1, Importance of Time Management. Time is our most valuable resource. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but it's how we use those hours that sets us apart. Effective time management can reduce stress, increase productivity, and help us achieve our goals faster. So, let's get started with some practical tips. Section 2, Prioritize your tasks. First up, prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Use the Eisenhower Matrix to categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Focus on what's most important and urgent first, then move on to less critical tasks. This way, you're always working on what truly matters. Graphic of the Eisenhower Matrix appears on screen. Section 3, Set clear goals. Next, set clear goals. SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound are a great way to ensure you're setting objectives that are clear and attainable. Break these goals down into smaller tasks to make them more manageable. Whiteboard with SMART goals acronym appears. Section 4, Plan your day. Cut to you using a planner or digital calendar. Planning your day is crucial. Use a planner or a digital tool to schedule your day, blocking out time for each task. This not only keeps you organized but also ensures you allocate time for everything that needs to be done. Remember, what gets scheduled gets done. Section 5, Avoid multitasking. Avoid multitasking. It might seem like you're getting more done, but it actually reduces efficiency and quality. Focus on one task at a time to improve your productivity and reduce errors. Section 6, Eliminate distractions. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and create a quiet workspace. Distractions can significantly derail your productivity, so take control of your environment. Section 7, Take regular breaks. Don't forget to take regular breaks. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, can help maintain high levels of focus and energy throughout the day. Section 8, Review and adjust. There you have it, folks. Time management isn't about being busy, it's about being productive and efficient. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll see a significant improvement in how you manage your time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more self-improvement tips, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel, watch my latest video.